Hi, my dear ones. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our English class. How are you all? We are fine. Thank you. When I ask, how are you all? You have to say, we are fine. Thank you. Are you ready to say? Okay. How are you? We are fine. Thank you. We are fine. Thank you. Very good, children. Let us revise our last class. Did you remember that? What we learned in our last class? We learned letter K. We learned letter K. Capital letter K and small letter K. All of you read the letter. All of you say with me. Capital letter K and small letter K. What is the sound of K? Say aloud, all of you. What is the sound of K? K. Sound of K? K. Sound of K? Okay, good children. Then we learned many pictures with letter K. Many pictures starting with letter K. Anybody know what we learned? Which words we learned in our last class? Anybody know? What is this? All of you say, what is this? This is a kite. Good children. This is a kite. Then, what is this? This is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo's name starting with letter K. What is the first letter of kangaroo? K. Very good. Then the next picture. Everybody know what is this? What is this? All of you say, what is this? This is a key. This is a key. Good job. Very good, children. Then, what is this? What is this? This is a king. This is a king. Okay, good children. This is a king. This king's name starting with letter K. What is the first letter of K? King. What is the first letter of king? K. What is the sound of K? K. Sound of K? K. Understand? Okay. Today we are going to study the next letter. K after letter. Anybody know which letter comes after K? Sorry, L. Which letter comes after K? L. L. Which letter comes after K? L. Capital letter L and small letter L. Capital letter L and small letter L. Very good, children. Anybody know sound of letter L? Sound of letter L. L. Sound of L. L. Sound of L. L. Today we are going to study letter L. All of you look here. This is letter L. Capital letter L and small letter L. Sound of L, L. Sound of L, L. Then, how can we write letter L? How can we write letter L? First, we can draw a standing line. Down of this standing line, we can draw a sleeping line. Now, this is capital letter L. Capital letter L. This is small letter L. Capital letter L, small letter L. Capital letter L, small letter L. Then, today, we have to study some words beginning with letter L. Anybody know what is this? This is a lion. This is a lion. This, have you seen lion? Yeah. From where? From where you see? TV, zoo. Okay. This lion is a wild animal. This lion live in forest. This is king of the jungle. Lion is king of the jungle. What is this? This is a lion. What is this? This is a lion. Lion's first letter is L. Lion's first letter is L. L for lion. L for lion. This is a lion. Capital letter L, small letter L. This is a lion. Then the next picture. What is this? Have you seen this? Yeah, this is a lock. We are using this lock to lock our door. To lock the doors. Understand? We have house. In our home we have many doors. We are using this lock to lock the door. Isn't it? Yeah, this is a lock. This is a lock. This lock first letter, anybody know? Have you any idea? Lock first letter? Lock first letter? Yeah, good job. Very good. This is lock. Lock first letter is yeah, good children. L. L is the first letter of lock. L is the first letter of lock. Then the next one. Look here, all of you. What is this? This is a lamp. This is a lamp. This is a lamp for light. Lamp for light. Okay, understand? This lamp gives us light. Lamp gives us light. We are using this lamp for getting light. Isn't it? Yeah, this is a lamp. Lamp's first letter also L. L for lamp. L for lamb. Okay, understand? Yes. Now, one more picture also with me. What is this? What is this? This is a ladder. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. Okay. Yeah. What is the use of this ladder? Anybody know? We are using this ladder to go upstairs. Go up. Understand? Yes. This ladder we are using to go our upstairs. Understand? Yeah, good. This is a ladder. This ladder first letter, beginning letter is L. L for ladder. L for ladder. Let us repeat. Yes. Capital letter L, small letter L. This is a lion, lock, lamp, ladder. All of you stand up. Are you ready to read with me? Okay. All of you read well. Okay. Capital letter L, small letter L, lion, lion. This is, read with me, lock, lock, lamb, lamb, ladder, ladder. May I repeat? Capital letter L, small letter L, lion, lock, lamp, ladder. L. Sound of L. L. Sound of L. L. Okay. Okay. All of you sing this song with me. Ready? L for lion. L, L, L. L for lock. L, L, L. L for lion. L, L, L. L for lock. L, L, L. L for lamb. L, L, L. L for ladder. L, L, L. L for lion. L, L, L. L for lock. L, L, L. L for lamb. L, L, L. L for ladder. L, L, L. Okay, all of you settle down. Did you understand? Okay, all of you read your textbook carefully. All of you write this letter L in your slate and in your textbook. Ready? Okay. See you next class. Bye-bye.